Let's do a quick setup of WrovenDen. We've got WrovenDen in the carrying case here, backpack carrying case. First, I'll take everything out. We've got the blackout cover, the tent body, poles, and sleeping pad. We can set this aside. First, we will open up these poles, set them aside. And I'll take the inner tent body and lay that out. We'll take the poles and find the grommets that have matching webbing color. We'll put those in. Come on over to the other side. Let's see. All right, once we're here, we will cross the poles and start doing the clips, the pole clips. So there's the tent body. We'll take the sleeping pad. The sleeping pad goes underneath the tent, so I'm gonna blow it up. All right, so firm but not overinflated, and we'll slide this underneath the sleeping pad, or underneath the tent. And there are clips on the corners to help keep everything nice and steady. Now we've got the blackout cover that we can add. Just toss that one over. Straighten it up. Find the clips on the bottom corners. Clip those. All right, so that's set up. We've got these magnetic, I'll kind of go through some features while I've got you here. Magnetic door opening here, so you can check on your child when they're asleep without making a lot of noise. You got tie backs. Nice big door so that you can lay down with your child and read books, or play. Or if you have any back pain, it just makes life easier to get into let your child get into the crib, not just put them into the crib. We've got interior pockets for kids. We've got exterior pockets, which you can access through the blackout cover. Exterior pockets for monitors, fans, night lights, that kind of thing. Two on each side. Extra vents for increased airflow here on the sides. And then we've got an optional lock that, depending on your child's age, and the reason I started this business was because my son was jumping out of the crib and we couldn't keep him safe overnight. So we added an optional feature cleared by my children's sleep consultant and also the children's safety and compliance consultants I work with. This optional lock here that you can use if you've got a child that is learning to stay put at those ages where impulse control is really challenging, or if you're doing something like pack rafting and camping by the river, that kind of thing, and you just want to make sure your child's safe overnight. So that, I think I've covered all the features and setup. So this is WrovenDen.